Hi there, this is Christy Johnson. In this video, I wanted to show you a new product that is just come out. If you are not sure about what is selling on Etsy, we're going to go into Etsy and let's do a little test. If you go into Etsy and you search for dad dog shirt, because um, this is June 12th, I think it is, and it's close to Father's Day weekend. So what is trending? Father's Day t-shirts. So if you put a family relationship dad with a dog shirt, you got a super targeted niche. Okay, so I went in, excuse me, and I put dad dog shirt. Now look at what comes up. You've got Roxy's Papa Dog Dad Bod, best dog dad ever, the dog father. Okay, now take a look. Here's a bestseller. Looks like it's customized to someone's dog picture, but you can do print on demand with these all day long. Okay, let's keep looking on down. I want you to see some of these cute shirts. And you may be wondering, okay, that's great, but are these selling? What? Are you kidding me? Absolutely. Let's take a look at a shop that has lots of reviews, meaning it has a lot of sales. Look at this. 20 people have this in their carts right now. Best dog dad ever. Okay. All right, now let's narrow it down just a little bit, and let's put Dad Yorkie. And I haven't done this before. I don't know what I'm going to find. Yeah. Okay, look how targeted this is. Dad Yorkie shirt. You've only got 192 results to compete with. And this one is actually a pug. This is funny right here. Look at that. Yorkie Papa. Yorkie Papa. All right. It says handmade. Let's see how many shirts this shop has sold so far. This shop has sold 3,193 sales. That's good. Since 2018. That's really good. So let's go back. They're doing a great job on their shop. Let's go back and look at another shop. Dad Yorkie shirt. Look at this one. These are so cute. Look at that. Just a little bit dorky. So it's a play on words. So cute. Now let's see how many sales they have. All right, they've had 688 sales. Really good. So, I mean, you can do print on demand in dogs all day long. I mean, think of the combinations. Let's do Mom Yorkie shirt. Mom Yorkie shirt. Now you can do this with print on demand. What is print on demand? If you don't know, print on demand is you just go to a website, you upload your image, pop, wow, they give you a mock-up of a t-shirt to load up like this into your shop, or like this. Okay, I have something similar to this in my shop, and it is so easy. You could do this one, this one, this one, this one, and the print on demand company makes it, boxes it, and mails it for you. What? How much easier can it get, right? But you see these images and all, and you may say, I don't want to learn photomobob. I don't want to learn photomobob editing. I don't want to learn a whole bunch of stuff, and I can't draw with a stick figure, but I can order up all day long. I can order up all day long. So what I did is I found a graphic artist. I ordered up the 30 most popular breeds of dogs in the United States. And here's 20 of them. And then I asked the artist to put sunglasses on them, hair bows, bandanas. Okay, and he did. So then he said, how about if I do 6 of each? So he's got 6 of this dog with all these different variations. So total, he made 180 designs for me. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to share these because I know people love dogs. I love dogs. And now I have the commercial rights to give them to you. They're brand new. I've purchased them and had them designed for you. I'm going to share them with you. And what I want you to do is download these, put them up on your shop, get them on your shop. You can download the images, list your new t-shirts to sell, get at least 180 new shirts in your Etsy shop before Christmas 2019. I mean, you can do this. You can so do this. Here's one I got in my shop right here, and I thought that was funny. We had an English bulldog named Hunk, and he snored like a trucker. And I don't know what a trucker snores like. I snore. Anyway, it's funny. I snore like a trucker. And that's just one of the images. Plus, what I did is I put together a PDF that shows you how to do all this. Instead of doing this long, lengthy video course, I did a PDF. I did image by image by image to show you step by step how to do that. And then I put together 85 really funny dog sayings that you can pop onto your shirt, okay? So you're actually getting like 4 products, you know, really, really inexpensive. I mean, really, really expensive. Now here's an example of one of those funny sayings. Before you open that gate, ask yourself, am I feeling lucky today? Now, if you put that on a t-shirt with a bulldog, boom, watch the views, okay? Watch and see what happens. But anyway, this is brand new to the world. Nobody's ever seen these images, and you can be one of the first people to hop on this, okay? So I'm going to put a link below this. Go get it. Go after it. Start loading them up to your Etsy shop. You can start tonight. You know, one lady just bought this first sale. So excited to get these out to the market, and I think you will love it. Okay, so this is Christy. Click on the link below. Enjoy. I've really worked hard to get these to you, and I hope you love it. Talk to you soon. Bye now.